Imagine a scenario where your precious data is locked behind a digital vault, and the only key is held by an anonymous hacker demanding a ransom. Would you pay the price or fight back against these digital extortionists? In this video, we will unveil the top 5 most dangerous ransomware threats that send chills down the spines of cybersecurity experts. How do these cybercriminals operate and what motivates them? Join us on this thrilling journey into the dark realms of ransomware and discover the threats that keep security professionals up at night. The nightmare scenario: ransomware's grip on your digital life. To give you a real sense of the scale of the nightmare that is ransomware, let's dive into a sample scenario. Imagine you work at a hospital. Your job is to ensure that patient records are meticulously maintained and the lives of those under your care are in your hands. Now, picture this: one ordinary day, when you're on your regular shift, something extraordinary happens. All of a sudden, every computer in the hospital is frozen. Doctors can't access medical histories, nurses can't update patient charts. The chaos is palpable, and patient care comes to a screeching halt. Lives are on the line and the clock is ticking. It's not just your hospital, it's happening at hospitals worldwide. But here's the kicker: these hospitals are being held hostage by ransomware. The attackers have encrypted all patient records and they're demanding a significant ransom to provide the decryption keys. The question becomes, what's more important? Paying the ransom to save lives or standing your ground and risking human lives for the sake of not negotiating with cyber criminals? This scenario, though hypothetical, illustrates the real-world impact of ransomware attacks. It's not just about a faceless organization losing data. It's about people's lives and well-being being put on the line due to these malicious actions. Stay with us as we reveal more about these sinister cyber threats and how to protect yourself from their grasp. Conti is a ransomware strain that has been responsible for some of the most high-profile ransomware attacks in recent years, including the attacks on Kaseya and Colonial Pipeline. It is known for its sophisticated methods of attack and its ability to target large organizations. Conti typically uses phishing emails to gain initial access to victim networks. Once inside, Conti operators use a variety of tools and techniques to move laterally through the network and escalate their privileges. Once they have gained access to critical systems, they deploy the Conti ransomware payload. Conti encrypts a wide variety of file types, including documents, images, databases, and executable files. Once the encryption is complete, operators leave a ransom note on the victim's network, demanding payment in exchange for the decryption key. Reveal is another ransomware strain that has been responsible for a number of high-profile attacks, including the attack on JBS Foods. It is known for its use of double extortion, whereby it threatens to release stolen data if the ransom is not paid. Reveal typically uses phishing emails to gain initial access to victim networks. Once inside, operators use a variety of tools and techniques to steal sensitive data, such as customer records, financial data, and intellectual property. Reveal encrypts a wide variety of file types, including documents, images, databases, and executable files. Once the encryption is complete, operators leave a ransom note on the victim's network, demanding payment in exchange for the decryption key and the stolen data. DarkSide is a ransomware strain that is known for targeting critical infrastructure organizations, such as hospitals and energy companies. DarkSide is also known for its use of social engineering tactics to gain access to victim network. DarkSide typically uses phishing emails and social media scams to gain initial access to victim networks. Once inside, DarkSide operators use a variety of tools and techniques to move laterally through the network and escalate their privileges. Once they have gained access to critical systems, they deploy the DarkSide ransomware payload. DarkSide encrypts a wide variety of file types, including documents, images, databases, and executable files. Once the encryption is complete, DarkSide operators leave a ransom note on the victim's network, demanding payment in exchange for the decryption key. Doppelpaymer is a ransomware strain that is known for targeting large organizations, such as government agencies and financial institutions. Doppelpaymer is also known for its use of brute force attacks to crack passwords and gain access to victim networks. Once inside, Doppelpaymer operators use a variety of tools and techniques to move laterally through the network and escalate their privileges. Once they have gained access to critical systems, they deploy the Doppelpaymer ransomware payload. Doppelpaymer encrypts a wide variety of file types, including documents, images, databases, and executable files. Once the encryption is complete, Doppelpaymer operators leave a ransom note on the victim's network, demanding payment in exchange for the decryption key. Ryuk. Ryuk is a ransomware strain that is known for targeting large organizations, such as healthcare providers and educational institutions. Ryuk is also known for its use of sophisticated encryption algorithms, which makes it difficult to decrypt encrypted files. Ryuk typically uses phishing emails to gain initial access to victim networks. Once inside, Ryuk operators use a variety of tools and techniques to move laterally through the network and escalate their privileges. Once they have gained access to critical systems, they deploy the Ryuk ransomware payload. Ryuk encrypts a wide variety of file types, including documents, images, databases, and executable files. Once the encryption is complete, Ryuk operators leave a ransom note on the victim's network, demanding payment in exchange for the decryption key. Impact of ransomware attack. Ransomware attacks can have a devastating impact on victims. In addition to the financial cost of paying the ransom, ransomware attacks can also cause disruption to business operations, damage to reputation, and loss of customer trust. For example, in 2021, the Colonial Pipeline ransomware attack caused widespread disruptions to the U.S. gasoline supply chain. The attack also caused significant financial losses for the company, which paid a ransom of $4.4 million to recover its data. In another example, the JBS Foods ransomware attack caused widespread disruptions to the global food supply chain. The attack also caused significant financial losses for the company, which paid a ransom of $11 million to recover its data. Defending against the unseen enemy. Now that we've uncovered the top 5 most dangerous ransomware strains, it's time to discuss the most critical part: how to defend yourself against this unseen enemy. Here are some key steps to safeguard your digital life. 1. Back up your data. Regularly back up your important files on an external drive or a secure cloud service. This way, if you're ever hit by ransomware, you won't have to pay the ransom to retrieve your data. 2. Keep your software updated. Many ransomware attacks exploit known vulnerabilities in operating systems and software. To minimize this risk, keep all your applications and your operating system up to date. 3. Beware of phishing. Don't click on suspicious email attachments or links, and don't download files from unverified sources. Many ransomware attacks start with a simple phishing email, and staying vigilant can be your first line of defense. And now, the most crucial step to safeguarding yourself from ransomware. 4. Invest in security. Use reputable antivirus software, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems. These tools can detect and prevent ransomware attacks before they can do any harm. It's like having a digital shield protecting your data. Ransomware is a serious threat to cybersecurity, but there are a number of things that you can do to protect yourself. By keeping your software up to date, using strong passwords and MFA, being careful about what emails and attachments you open, and backing up your data regularly, you can help to reduce your risk of being infected. Remember, the world of ransomware is ever evolving, and staying informed is your best defense. As we wrap up this segment, we've equipped you with essential knowledge and tools to protect yourself against the ransomware threat. If you found this information valuable, click the next video shown on screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.